Children, now we are going to learn about the adjacent angles. What are called adjacent angles? We have learned complementary angles and supplementary angles. Okay, complementary angles means the sum of two angles is 90 degrees. Supplementary angles means if the sum of two angles is 180 degrees, then those angles are called the supplementary angles. Here what are adjacent angles? Here see, for example, here it is one angle. It is AOB, and here one more angle is there, that is COA. Okay, in this figure two angles are there. Okay, first angle is COA angle and the second angle is angle AOB. Okay, what about these two angles? They have the common vertex. Vertex of angle AOB is O, and for vertex of angle COA is also O. That means here these two angles, angle COA and angle AOB, have the common vertex. Okay, and they have the common arm. What are the arms of the angle? In this angle AOB, OA and OB are the arms of the angle, and in this angle COA, OC and OA are the arms of the angle. In these two angles, OA is the common arm. Okay, here these two angles have the common vertex and the common arm. Okay, if the two angles have a common vertex and common arm, then those angles are called the adjacent angles. Okay, what are adjacent angles? If two angles have the common vertex and common arm, then the angles are called adjacent angles. Okay, if two angles have a common vertex and common arm. Common vertex and common arm are called adjacent angles. Okay, what are called adjacent angles? If two angles have a common vertex and common arm, are called the adjacent angles. Okay, see this figure. Here it is angle COB and here it is angle AOC. In these two angles AOC is one angle and angle COD is another angle. So in these two angles AOB vertex is O and in the angle COD vertex is O. That means here AOC and angle COD have the common vertex O and they have the common arm OC. Okay, here what is the common vertex? Common vertex is O and common arm is OC is the common arm. Okay, here these two angles, angle AOC and angle COD, have the common vertex O and angle AOC and angle COD has the common arm OC. So these two angles are called the adjacent angles. Okay, see here for example, here this is the figure of the two angles. Here angle AOC, this is O, this is C, and here this is angle CAD. Here two angles are there. Okay, what are those? Sorry, it is B. AOC is one angle and DBC is another angle. See, what about these two angles? They are adjacent angles? No, why? Because they have the no common vertex. Here in this angle AOC, O is the vertex, and in this angle DBC, B is the vertex, and they have no common arm. Okay, they have no common vertex, they have no common arm. So these are not the adjacent angles. Okay, if the two angles have the common vertex like this and the common arm, then the angles are called the adjacent angles. Okay, see here one more figure. It is one angle AOB, and here one more angle is there. This is BOC. Say what about these two angles? AOB vertex is O and BOC vertex is O, and these two angles have the common arm. OB is the common arm. So these are the two adjacent angles. Common vertex is O and the common arm is OB. So AOB arms are OA and OB. In the angle BOC arms are OC and OB. So OB is the common arm and the common vertex is O. So these two angles are called the adjacent angles. Okay, here see one more. For example, here it is COD. Say what about this angle AOD and angle BOC? Angle AOD, this is the angle AOD, and angle BOC, this is the angle BOC. What about these two angles, whether they are adjacent angles or not? They have the common vertex O. In AOD angle, O is the vertex, and in BOC angle, O is the vertex. So these two angles, AOD angle and BOC angles have the common vertex, but they have no common arm. Arms of the angle AOD are OA and OD. Arms of the angle BOC are OC and OD. They have no common arm. They have the common vertex O, but they have no common arm. So these two angles are not adjacent angles. Okay, if they have the common vertex and common arm like this, then only the angles are called the adjacent angles. Okay, here AOD and BOC are having the common vertex but not having a common arm. So these are not the adjacent angles. Okay, AOD and BOC are not the adjacent angles, but AOB and BOC, these two are adjacent angles, and BOC, COD, these two angles are adjacent angles, and AOD, COD are the two adjacent angles, and AOD and AOB are the two adjacent angles. Okay, why? Because here AOB and AOD having the common vertex O and common arm OA. So these are the two adjacent angles. These two angles are adjacent angles. These two angles are adjacent angles, and these two angles are the adjacent angles. Okay, children, from our exercise 4, the question is, name all the pairs of adjacent angles in the figure. How many pairs of adjacent angles are formed? Why these angles are called adjacent angles? Okay, here in this figure, how many pairs of adjacent angles are formed? You have to write and name, and why these angles are called the adjacent angles. First of all, you have to know what are called adjacent angles. Okay, just before we have discussed. Okay, what are adjacent angles? Adjacent angles means if the angles have the common vertex and common arm, then those angles are called the adjacent angles. Okay, if a pair of angles, if the two angles have the common vertex and common arm, then those angles are called the adjacent angles. Here name all the pairs of adjacent angles. What we have to write? Write all the pairs of adjacent angles in the given figure. Okay, what are the adjacent angles in this given figure? Observe this angle BOC and angle COA. Okay, angle BOC and angle COA. Vertex is O for both the angles. Okay, BOC vertex is O, AOC vertex is O. That means these two angles have the common vertex. And what are the arms of this BOC angle? OB, OC are the arms of the angle. For AOC angle, OA, OC. OC is the common arm for these two angles. Okay, what are the arms of the angle BOC? OB and OC. These are the arms of the angle BOC. And angle AOC arms are OA and OC. OA and OC are the arms of the angle. So angle AOC. In these two angles, OC is the common vertex. They have the common, vertex is the common O and common arms. OC is the common arm. O is the common vertex and OC is the common arm. So angle BOC and angle AOC are called the adjacent angles. Okay, what is the first pair of adjacent angles? Angle BOC and angle AOC. This is one pair of adjacent angles. Next, here in angle AOC and angle AOD, O is the common vertex, and in angle AOC, OA and OC are the arms, and in AOD, what are the arms of the angle? OA and OD are the arms of the angle. In angle AOC and angle AOD, O is the common vertex, and in the angle AOC, OA and OC are the arms of the angle, and in the angle AOD, OA and OD are the arms of the angle. So in these two pairs of arms, in these two angles, OA is the common arm. Okay, they have the common vertex O and they have the common arm OA. So these two angles are called the adjacent angles. Okay, angle AOC and angle AOD. Angle AOC and angle AOD are the second pair of adjacent angles. Okay, observe now this angle AOD angle and BOD angle. AOD and BOD. These two angles you have to observe. So what is the vertex for this AOD angle? O is the vertex, and in this BOD angle also O is the vertex. That means these two angles have the common vertex O. And what are the arms of this triangle? Angle AOD, OA and OD are the arms of the angle AOD. And what are the arms of the angle BOD? Okay, what are the arms? OB and OD are the arms of the angle BOD. Okay, they have the common arm OD. OD is the common arm and common vertex is O in these two angles. So, AOD angle and BOD angles are also called the adjacent angles. Okay. Angle AOD and angle BOD are the third pair of adjacent angles. Now observe this angle BOD and angle BOC. BOD vertex is O and in angle BOC vertex is O. That means these two angles have the common vertex O. And what are the arms of the triangle? Angle BOD? OB and OD. OB and OD are the arms of the angle BOD. And what are the arms of the angle BOC? OC and OB. Or OB and OC are the arms of the angle BOC. So in this, OB is the common arm. Okay, here BOD angle and COB angles have the common arm OB. So they have the common vertex O and common arm OB. So these two angles also called the adjacent angles. What are those? Angle BOD and angle COB are the fourth pair of adjacent angles. Okay. In this given figure, how many pairs of adjacent angles are there? 4 pairs of adjacent angles are there. Okay, name all the pairs of adjacent angles in the figure. These are the 4 pairs of adjacent angles. And how many pairs of adjacent angles are formed? 4 pairs of adjacent angles are formed. 4 pairs of adjacent angles are formed. Why these angles are called adjacent angles? Why these 4 pairs of angles are called the adjacent angles? Why? Because they have the common vertex and they have the common arms. So these 4 pairs of angles are called the adjacent angles. Okay. These angles have common vertex and common arm. Okay, why these angles are called the adjacent angles? Why? Because these angles have common vertex and common arm. So these 4 pairs of angles are called the adjacent angles. Okay. Children, from our exercise 4, the next question is, can 2 adjacent angles be supplementary? Draw figure. Supplementary. Supplementary means sum of 2 angles is equal to 180 degrees. Here two adjacent angles be supplementary? Yes. Okay. Here see. Here it is angle AOB and here it is angle BOC. Angle AOB and angle BOC. Here what about these two angles? This is the AOC angle measure is 180 degrees. Okay, angle AOC measure is a straight angle. Straight angle measure is how much? 180 degrees. Angle AOC is the straight angle that is equal to 180 degrees. On this line AOC we have two angles, angle AOB and angle BOC. Okay, what about those two angles? What is the vertex of the angle AOB? O is the vertex and in angle BOC, O is the vertex. That means AOB and BOC have the common vertex O and they have the common arm OB. So AOB and BOC are called the adjacent angles and sum of these two angles equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so these are called the adjacent angles and sum of those two angles equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees means supplementary. So yes, adjacent angles can be supplementary angles. This is the figure for that. Okay, here these are the two angles AOB and BOC. Sum is equal to supplementary means 180 degrees and these are called the adjacent angles. Why? Because AOB angle and BOC angles have the common vertex O and they have the common arm OB. So these AOB and BOC angles are called the adjacent angles and these adjacent angles are supplementary. Okay. Can two adjacent angles be supplementary? Yes. Two adjacent angles be supplementary. Okay, this is the figure for that. Okay, and can two adjacent angles be complementary? Draw figure for that. How can you draw complementary angles? So here this is the complementary means sum of the two angles equal to 90 degrees. For example, here it is angle AOB and here another angle BOC. So angle AOB plus angle BOC is equal to 90 degrees. And AOB and BOC have the common vertex O and common arm OB. So these two angles are the adjacent angles and the sum of these two angles is complementary. Okay. So yes, two adjacent angles be complementary. Okay. If they given the question like this, can two adjacent angles be complementary? Draw figure. So this is the figure for the two angles, adjacent angles and complementary angles. Okay, this is the figure for adjacent angles and supplementary angles. Okay. So in this exercise 4, remaining problems 1, 4 and 5. First problem, fourth problem and fifth problem. From our exercise 4, you have to do yourself. Okay.